Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss: the psychology of consumerism. Have you ever wondered why you sometimes find yourself making impulsive purchases? Well, in this video, we will explore the underlying factors behind impulse buying and provide you with practical tips on how to overcome it. So, let's dive right in. 1. What is impulse buying? We begin our journey by defining impulse buying and understanding its nature. Impulse buying refers to the spontaneous purchase of goods or services without prior planning or consideration. It often stems from emotional triggers, enticing advertisements, and the desire for instant gratification. Join us as we uncover the reasons behind impulsive purchases and shed light on their psychological impact. 2. The role of consumer psychology. Consumer psychology plays a significant role in influencing our buying decisions. In this segment, we delve into the intricate workings of consumer behavior and explore the psychological principles that drive impulse buying. By understanding the underlying mechanisms, we can gain insights into how marketers strategically manipulate our desires and trigger impulsive urges. 3. Emotional triggers and impulse buying. Emotions can have a powerful influence on our shopping behavior. In this section, we examine how emotions, such as excitement, happiness, and even stress, contribute to impulse buying. We discuss the ways in which marketers use emotional triggers in their advertisements and explore strategies to become more aware of these tactics, empowering you to make more rational choices. 4. The impulse buying cycle. Impulse buying often follows a distinct cycle. We break down this cycle into stages, from the initial trigger to the moment of purchase. By understanding this cycle, we can identify the critical points where we are most susceptible to impulse buying. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to interrupt the cycle and make conscious purchasing decisions. 5. Overcoming impulse buying. Now that we have explored the various aspects of impulse buying, it's time to focus on overcoming this behavior. We share practical tips and strategies that can help you regain control over your shopping impulses. From setting a budget and creating shopping lists to adopting a mindful approach, we provide you with effective techniques to resist the urge to make impulsive purchases. 6. Making informed buying decisions. In this segment, we emphasize the importance of making informed buying decisions. We discuss the significance of research, product comparisons, and reading reviews to ensure you choose the right products or services that align with your needs and preferences. By arming yourself with knowledge, you can avoid impulse buying and make purchases that truly enhance your life. 7. The role of social media in impulse buying. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for marketers to influence consumer behavior. We explore how social media plays a role in promoting impulse buying, from targeted ads to influencer endorsements. Learn how to navigate the world of social media and develop healthy habits to resist the temptations that often accompany online shopping. 8. Retail store layout and impulse buying. Did you know that the layout and design of retail stores can impact your impulse buying tendencies? In this segment, we analyze how store layouts, product placement, and attractive displays can tempt you to make impulsive purchases. By understanding these tactics, you can develop strategies to navigate stores more consciously and resist the allure of impulse buying. 9. The power of discounts and limited time offers. Discounts and limited time offers can be enticing, but they also play a significant role in triggering impulse buying. In this section, we uncover the psychology behind these marketing strategies and explore ways to resist the urge to buy solely based on discounts. We provide you with practical advice on evaluating the true value of a purchase and avoiding impulsive decisions driven by time-limited promotions. 10. The influence of peer pressure on impulse buying. Peer pressure can have a considerable impact on our shopping behavior, particularly when it comes to impulse buying. We discuss how social influence and the desire to fit in can lead to impulsive purchases. Moreover, we share strategies to become more assertive in the face of peer pressure, empowering you to make buying decisions aligned with your personal values and needs. 11. Online shopping and impulse buying. With the rise of e-commerce, online shopping has become an integral part of our lives. In this segment, we explore how online platforms leverage various techniques to encourage impulse buying, such as personalized recommendations and one-click purchases. Discover effective strategies to resist impulsive buying temptations while enjoying the convenience of online shopping. 12. The impact of advertising on impulse buying. Advertising is omnipresent, bombarding us with persuasive messages designed to trigger impulsive buying. In this section, we delve into the strategies advertisers use to exploit our psychological vulnerabilities. By becoming aware of these techniques, you can develop a critical eye and resist the allure of impulse buying, making purchases based on genuine needs rather than fleeting desires. The role of self-control and mindfulness. Self-control and mindfulness play crucial roles in overcoming impulse buying tendencies. In this segment, we discuss practical techniques to cultivate self-awareness and enhance self-control when faced with buying decisions. By practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment, you can make conscious choices aligned with your long-term goals and values. 14. Understanding buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse is a common feeling experienced after making impulsive purchases. We delve into the emotions and thoughts that arise post-purchase, helping you understand and manage these feelings. By addressing buyer's remorse, you can develop a healthier relationship with your purchases and avoid falling into the cycle of impulsive buying. 15. Building a healthy consumer mindset. In our final topic, we focus on building a healthy consumer mindset that promotes mindful and intentional purchasing. We provide practical advice on developing a shopping plan, setting financial goals, and aligning your purchases with your values. By adopting a conscious consumer mindset, you can regain control over your shopping habits and make choices that lead to long-term satisfaction. And that concludes our exploration of the psychology of consumerism and impulse buying. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Remember, understanding the psychological factors behind impulse buying is the first step toward regaining control over your shopping habits. By implementing the strategies and tips we discussed, you can make more informed and intentional buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about consumer psychology and overcoming impulse buying, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our